Dastan Leela Chanesar. Probably during 1200 AD to 1306 AD, Chanesar from Dasra branch of Sumra caste ruled that part of Sindh which is now called District Thatta, Lahore. He was powerful and handsome king, popular among his subjects. He was married to Leela Kauru, a daughter of Rai Khangar, a Rajput, king of Lakhpat, was known for her beauty. She has received reports of Chanesar's handsomeness and had set her mind to marry him and reached the palace of Chanesar through his minister Jakhro. Kauru was not the woman to get frustrated. She managed to get work for her and her mother as maids-in-waiting on. Leela was highly accomplished lady, but was light-natured and given to vanities. Possession of ornaments for personal embellishment was her patent weakness. The Vili Kauru soon took stock out of it, and she powerfully displayed to the queen her priceless necklace of pearls. Leela became infatuated with it, and she expressed her desire to purchase it. Kauru's only stipulation, though fantastic in itself, for surrendering it as a present, was Leela's permission to her to share the bed with Chanesar for one night. It was no doubt a very difficult case of barter, but Leela was so sure of her hold in Chanesar. She accepted it without a demur. The sparkling necklace, no doubt, was the deciding factor. On that night, the king was got severely drunk and was very much intoxicated. When he got tipsy and drowsy, he shared the bed with Kauru without noticing the change. In the morning, he learnt about the barter deed. He felt shocked at Leela's conduct, and in requital he discarded her and transferred his affection to Kauru. Leela tried her utmost to regain the king's love and regard, but she failed. She was got left the palace and was sent to her relatives very much dejected. Jakhro, the minister, was betrothed to cousin of Leela. He was refused marriage with his fiancée on the plea that he too would one day discard his bride. His parents-in-law stipulated that Leela should be first restored to her queenly position before his marriage could be solemnized. Jakhro agreed to it and promised to get her an opportunity for reconciliation with Chanesa. He took the king to her village to attend his marriage function. During the ceremony, Leela, while wearing an attractive veil, displayed her accomplishment as a dancer. The king was enraptured to her, and jerking aside her veil, he recognized her as his ex-queen. His love for her received such a sudden surge that he sighed deeply and soon and immediately died on spot. Leela's tender heart could not stand the tragic sight. She gave a piercing cry and died. The two of them found union in death.
अला